Okay, so you'll need to refer to example 11 on your worded examples file. Okay, this is the question on the airline's punctuality. Okay, and part 1 says find the probability that a flight arrives on time given that it departed on time. So the probability that the flight arrives on time given that it departed on time. So we know that the probability that it departs on time is probability D, so that's on time. Okay. Probability that arrives on time is probably A. That's arrives. Actually, I should write that departs. That arrives on time. Okay. So therefore, we want to know the probability that it arrives on time given that it departed on time. So we're looking for this, the probability that it arrives on time given that it departs on time. Okay, so that would be equal to the probability of it arriving on time and departing on time divided by the probability of it departing on time. So that would be 0.78 divided by 0.83, and that would give you 0.94. So that's the probability that the flight arrives on time given that it departs on time. Simple little calculation there. Okay. Now part B asks us for the probability that the flight departs on time given that it arrived on time. So the probability that the flight departs on time given that it arrives on time. So departs on time given that it arrives on time. So that means that would be equal to the probability of it departing on time and arriving on time divided by the probability of it arriving on time. So that is equal to 0.78 divided by 0.92, and that gives you 0.85.